Welcome back, everyone. Welcome so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back. If you just stumble into this channel for the first time, I am Katia Valino, and we really talk about mature things on this channel. We have been talking about relationship, entanglement, dating lately on this channel, and I seem to be getting the vibe. I seem to be loving the vibe. I want to tell you guys, it's never too late. It is definitely never too late to fall back in love. So the video that I'm going to do today is I'll be sharing with you guys 8 tests, 8 form of tests that you need to be sending your husband, your boyfriend that you have been together with for over 6 months or a year. No way, this is not a text that you'll be sending to somebody you just met yesterday or somebody you met 2 weeks ago. This is if you are already in the game. You have made a commitment to stay married, to date this guy, to love him. This test will be for you. So I have everything written here, so let's go back so that I don't miss any of them. However, cheers to you guys. I am drinking sorrel. I love to drink sorrel. Yes. So the first test, the first kind of test or format you want to be sending to a guy is, say something like, "Wanna have you on my side, wanna have you by my side." This opens up our communication, and you know what, he's going to melt the moment he gets this test from you. It opens up a whole lot of intimate conversation. Test. The next test you want to be sending to someone, the next test you want to be sending to a guy that is really going to have him, that is really going to melt his heart. Especially now, we are in the winter month. It's getting cold, really getting cold. So maybe he's still at work. You are home alone in the evening, it's getting cold, you are lying alone in bed and you really want him to come home. Send him a text that goes like this: "I am cold in bed. I need some warmth." He will, as soon as he pick up his phone, quickly he will run. Quickly he will return this test. It opens up a kind of intimate conversation. The next test you want to be sending, the next kind of test you want to be sending is number 3. Just sarcastically say something. "Guess what I'm doing right now?" But when you send this kind of test, maybe you're in the shower, you are dressing up, you are home alone, you're burning the candle, you're waiting for him, send him a test send him this kind of test. "Guess what I am doing right now?" He's gonna guess. He's gonna guess. Maybe you're cooking, maybe you are in the bathroom, maybe you are in bed. It opens up an intimate communication and conversation. Number 4 kind of test you want to be sending to him. So just send him a test. It's been long. Send him this kind of test. Let me read it out for you. "Guess what? I dreamt about our first night together." If he's at the office, he's going to start thinking about you. Remember the first time you meet someone, when everything was still fresh and new, it's like sizzling, right? The first few months or few years, everything, like, the fire is sparkling. Bring him back to the old days, to the first date, to the first place, to whatever you guys did at the first date. This is going to put him into the mood and wants him coming back to you. It opens up a very long conversation. You will find out that you guys will start talking about who made the first move the first day, how did everything really get started. Do this kind of test. It throws you back to 5 years back, 10 years back, 20 years, whatever. Talk about those kind of moments. Number 5 kind of test you want to be sending a guy. Number 5 is after the night, whatever happened at night, the next day he's going to work or whatever. Send him a message in the morning and say something like this: wow, last night was out of this world. You know what? You're getting yourself ready and you're getting him ready for another wow moment. Never ever forget to talk about the previous night or the previous day. Very crucial in a relationship. Number 6 kind of test you want to be sending to him. Say something like this: how about going to a spa or dinner on Saturday? Open up that conversation. Because you know that when you guys sit in the restaurant, 2 of you alone at the dinner table or in the spa, you mesmerize. It puts you back in the cloud. You begin to think about being in cloud 9 again. So send this kind of test. The next test you want to send to him, number 7. Okay, you have something planned. Maybe you just want 2 of you to be alone on the coming weekend at home. Send him a test and say, you know what, hon? How about sending the children to grandma on Saturday so we can spend some time alone? Plan ahead, start planning and start thinking about it. Number 8, but not the least, you want to say something like this. Okay, maybe you guys have not really been intimate in a long time and you really want that intimacy. You're going to go out, you're going to purchase some new lingerie, you're going to buy some new perfume, and you send him a text and you say, honey, I can't wait for you to see the new lingerie that I just picked up. I just picked up this amazing perfume. I can't wait for you to smell it. I need your input on this lingerie. I need your input about this amazing, powerful perfume from Zara, from anywhere that everybody is talking about. I picked it up. I really want to know what you think about this amazing perfume. It opens up a whole lot of conversation. Believe me, go back, watch the entire video, write things out, and say these things, say these words exactly how Katia Valino is saying this word right now. Come back here in a few months, find me, leave me comments, tell me what happened after you deliver the message, because this is a message that you need to be delivering if you want to have him all by you, if you want to have him close to you. So guys, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, share the video, leave your thoughts and your comments. Are there anything else you think that is missing in this video? What kind of test? Have you ever tested something differently than what I just said? If you have, please share that in the comment section so that we can all learn from one another. Thank you for your time. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers again.